Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to another video. In this topic, we'll talk about how to turn off two-factor authentication for LinkedIn. As you can see, we are in the LinkedIn app. So all you have to do is click your profile, which is located at the upper right of your screen. After that, click Settings and Privacy. While we are in the Settings and Privacy tab, click Sign In and Security. While we are in the Sign In and Security tabs, click on Two-Step Verification. After clicking two steps of verification, click Setup. After that, LinkedIn will send a 6-digit code to Gmail if this is your first time doing this, which means we have to go to Gmail. Open your mail and copy the 6-digit code and paste it to LinkedIn. Click Submit. LinkedIn will ask you to choose the verification method. It's either an authenticator app or a mobile number. I choose Authenticator app, so I will click it. Lincoln will ask for a password before we continue, so type in your password and click Submit. After that, the Authenticator app will give you the key and you need to copy it. After copying the key, go to the Authenticator app and enter the setup key by clicking the Add button. Now click Enter a setup key, paste it there, and put your account name, like mine on LinkedIn. Click Add, and a 6-digit PIN will appear. Click Continue in LinkedIn. Put your 6-digit code and click Verify. And that's it. You're done. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.